Get ready for the dictation. Start. We will celebrate the 75th year of our independence in 2022. We have traversed a remarkable journey during these 7 decades. The challenges we have faced as a nation, both external and internal, have been and will continue to remain formidable. We do, however, have a list of achievements that is both considerable and impressive. India is a nation on the move. It is evolving and progressing along multiple axes at a very rapid rate. The fundamental challenge facing Indian foreign policy is to ensure that India engages with the international community in a manner that is both consistent and responsive to contemporary realities. In other words, our foreign policy has to be one of continuity and change. The current international environment is particularly challenging. We are living through the greatest shock to the international system since the Second World War. What began as a health emergency has expanded into an economic disruption, a geopolitical shock, and a social challenge of unprecedented magnitude. How we deal with these immense difficulties and whether we are able to transform some of them into opportunities will influence our future trajectory as a nation. We are a country with global interests. We have one of the largest and most able diasporas. Our economy and therefore our material well being is plugged on to global supply chains. We are a powerhouse in the services sector. We look at the world as a borderless economy with an interlinked marketplace. India is therefore committed to globalization. We believe, however, that the pandemic has demonstrated the deficiencies and the limitations of its existing form. It is driven by a purely economic agenda. The Prime Minister, in his address to the G20, has said that globalization should advance the collective interests of all humankind and should be based on fairness, equality, and humanity. It should be a human centric process. India has been a constructive actor in developing an international system that is human centric. We have worked together with partner countries in sharing our developmental experience. We have undertaken humanitarian assistance and disaster relief operations over a geographical area spanning from the Pacific to the Atlantic. We have assisted a number of our friends and partners during the current pandemic. We have been a net security provider. We have catalyzed the emergence of international organizations with constructive forward facing agendas such as the International Solar Alliance and the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. We do not live in a moral vacuum. India's aspirations are not just material in nature. We believe not just in Vasudev Kutumbakam, the world is one, but also in the principle of Niskama Karma, that good needs to be done for its own sake. Our efforts to shape global thinking and project our perspectives have continued through the pandemic. The Prime Minister has participated in G20 and NAM virtual summits, the Global Vaccine Summit, and the high level segment of United Nations Economic and Social Council, and convened a virtual meeting of South Asian leaders. India has been at the forefront of digital diplomacy during the current crisis. In addition to the summits listed earlier, India has had virtual summits with Australia and the European Union. We have participated at the ministerial level in BRICS, SCO, and RIC meetings. The Prime Minister and External Affairs Minister have conducted over 150 digital and virtual meetings during this period. We have been agile in our efforts in continuing our foreign policy operations. Our most important foreign policy objective is captured in our concept of neighborhood first. It underlines the renewed primacy we attach to neighboring countries to comprehensively upgrade and strengthen our relationships. Ties with our neighbors receive the greatest attention as reflected in frequent high level exchanges, significant improvements in connectivity, economic integration, and people to people contact, and special focus on neighboring countries in India's development partnership program. We have demonstrated our commitment to working in South Asia, including during the pandemic and in the sub regional BIMSTEC frameworks inter alia, through continuous high level engagement and through economic and connectivity initiatives. Stop.